Hello everyone, welcome to Growth Finance channel. Are you struggling to make ends meet or finding it hard to achieve your financial goals? You might be surprised to know that your bad habits could be holding you back. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 bad habits that can keep you poor. Our lives are shaped by our habits. If you constantly find yourself having financial difficulties, there's a good chance that some of your repetitive behaviors are to blame. It's much easier to blame your financial situation on something or someone else. But here are some tough love. The reason why you don't have the money and wealth you so desire is you and your habits. These habits can impact your financial stability and limit your ability to reach your financial goals. By recognizing these habits and working towards breaking them, you can achieve financial stability and reach your financial goals. So stay tuned to find out which bad habits you need to break to improve your financial future. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 bad habits that can keep you poor. These habits can impact your financial stability and limit your ability to reach your financial goals. It's important to recognize these habits and work towards breaking them to achieve a better financial future. Keep supporting us by liking and sharing our videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay on top of the latest tips to achieve financial independence. These habits are the most common ones that most people have in their lives. The 4th and 5th habits are the most important and the toughest ones to knock out. We'll discuss what these habits are, how do they impact your lives, and how to get rid of them so you can begin your journey towards riches. Let's get rolling. Number 5. Overspending. The first habit that can keep you poor is overspending. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending more money than you can afford, especially with the rise of online shopping and credit cards. Overspending can quickly lead to debt, and the interest on that debt can add up quickly. Before you know it, you're living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet. To break the habit of overspending, it's important to create a budget and stick to it. Start by tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. For example, you can cook at home instead of eating out or cancel subscriptions that you don't use. It's also important to avoid impulsive purchases and think twice before making a purchase. By prioritizing your spending and being mindful of your purchases, you can avoid overspending and improve your financial situation. Number 4. Living beyond your means. Living beyond your means is another bad money habit that can keep you poor. This habit involves spending more money than you earn, often through taking on debt or using credit cards to finance a lifestyle that you can't afford. While it may seem like a good idea at the time, living beyond your means can lead to financial instability and a lot of stress. It's important to remember that debt isn't free money and eventually you'll have to pay it back with interest. To break the habit of living beyond your means, it's important to live within your means and avoid taking on unnecessary debt. This may require making some sacrifices and prioritizing your spending, but it's necessary for long-term financial stability. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. You may need to make some lifestyle changes such as downsizing your home or car to reduce your expenses and live within your means. By making these changes and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can improve your financial situation and achieve your long-term financial goals. Number 3. Not saving money. The third bad habit that can keep you poor is not saving money. Without a savings cushion, you'll have no way to handle unexpected expenses such as a car repair or medical bill and may have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover the cost. Additionally, not saving money means you're missing out on the opportunity to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Without a savings plan in place, you may be stuck living paycheck to paycheck with no end in sight. To break the habit of not saving money, it's important to create a budget and prioritize saving as part of your monthly expenses. This means setting aside a portion of your income each month into a savings account or investment portfolio. It's important to establish an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months worth of looting expenses to cover unexpected expenses. Additionally, it's important to set long-term savings goals such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement and make consistent contributions towards those goals. By making saving a priority, you can improve your financial stability and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. Number 2. Neglecting your health. The 4th bad habit that can keep you poor in the long run is neglecting your health. Poor health can lead to missed workdays and increased medical expenses, which can put a strain on your finances. Neglecting your health can also impact your ability to work and earn an income, further hindering your financial stability. It's important to remember that taking care of your health is not only important for your overall well-being, but also for your financial health. To break the habit of neglecting your health, it's important to prioritize your physical and mental health as part of your daily routine. This means getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet and managing stress. While it may seem like a big commitment, small steps towards better health can make a big difference in the long run. It's also important to stay on top of preventive care, such as regular checkups and screenings to catch any health issues early, and avoid costly medical bills. By prioritizing your health and making small changes towards better health, you can improve your overall well-being and protect your financial health. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment in your future and can pay off in more ways than one. Number 1. Not investing. The fifth and final bad habit that can keep you poor is not investing. Not investing is a bad money habit that can keep you poor in the long run. By not investing your money, you're missing out on potential returns that can grow over time. Instead, your money may lose value due to inflation and you may miss out on opportunities to grow your wealth. While investing may seem daunting, it's an important step towards achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. To break the habit of not investing, it's important to educate yourself on the different types of investments, and choose ones that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month into a savings account or investment portfolio. You can also consider consulting a financial advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. By investing your money wisely, you can earn a return that can grow over time and help you achieve your long-term financial goals. So not investing can be a bad money habit that can hold you back financially. By breaking this habit and investing your money wisely, you can potentially grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated, and small steps towards investing can make a big difference in your financial future. In conclusion, these are 5 bad habits that can keep you poor. By recognizing these habits and working towards breaking them, you can achieve financial stability and reach your financial goals. It's important to live within your means. Avoid overspending, save money, prioritize your health and invest your money wisely. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your financial future. For the time being, our video has come to an end. Kindly share your thoughts in the comments box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.